This video is about the great launch of Mintbird Shopping Cart, the future of online shopping cart. Perry Belcher and Chad Nicely are dropping this shopping cart to change the way products are created and sold online. The advanced yet simple and easy to use feature sets Mintbird Shopping Cart apart from the competition. Comparing Mintbird Shopping Cart with Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, NerdWallet, and the rest, Mintbird Shopping Cart crushes all of them. Mintbird Shopping Cart even comes with an app. This means you can do everything Mintbird Shopping Cart can do in the palm of your hand. That's amazing.
Mintbird's speed and ease is unlike anything you have ever seen before, along with its beautiful templates and designs. Mintbird was built on an enterprise server that allows it to handle 5,000 transactions at once. With Mintbird, you'll be able to create your funnels in minutes due to the fact everything is library-based. You build out your products, upsells and downsells ahead of time and then pull them instantly. Everybody is going to be able to use Mintbird. It was created to specifically work with the Everlesson platform and other flagship software.
Make sure you register to receive the Mintbird updates and for a chance to win our Mintbird agency license. Affiliate Marketing 2021 is your pathway to financial freedom when done correctly and under relevant guidance. You do not need to look any further if you are trying to find ways to make money online. Particularly, those running a website or a blog can monetize it with affiliate marketing programs for a successful venture. We have a passion for assisting individuals in running successful affiliate marketing programs and making a more than decent income online. We have lots of freebies, software, and tools to help you get to the next level in this lucrative venture.
Wondering what affiliate marketing is and its benefits? Keep watching this video to find out more.
What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing entails performing activities that would help the affiliate earn a commission. Typically, these activities sum as a marketing of a company's products. All you have to do is identify the products you enjoy, promote them, and earn a commission based on the sale made. An affiliate link is used to track your total sales. We can help you get industry-leading commissions from top affiliate programs.
Benefits of affiliate marketing. You have every reason why you should start considering affiliate marketing as a source of income. Some of the benefits that you can get include: 1. Earn passive income. The most attractive feature of affiliate income is that it does not necessarily need 100% dedication of your time. You could be going about your issues and still make money. After adding your affiliate links to your website and sharing them, there won't be much more that you have to do. As opposed to e-commerce and other monetization approaches, affiliate marketing is hands-off.
Simple to start, you do not need any special skills to start exploring what affiliate has in store for you. We will guide you on all the basics, most of which you will find easy to understand. Please remember that there are no charges for joining an affiliate program and sharing the advertisement links. All that you have to do is identify the desired affiliate program and get started. Make sure that you follow our YouTube channel to learn more about affiliate marketing for beginners.
Get higher return on investment. Affiliate marketing does not hinder your ability to start exploring it by ensuring there are no limiting overhead costs. All that you have to do is to get the affiliate links and share them. In return, you generate a stable stream of income. You would be surprised when you start earning money indefinitely for just adding links to your blog.
No ceiling on income. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it does not limit the amount of money you can make. The more your shared links reach more people who make a purchase, the higher you earn. The income will continue flowing into your account and will not be capped by any limit. Can I become successful at affiliate marketing? You can become an affiliate marketer provided that you do it right away. We have compiled all the tools and resources required for this purpose. You can do it.
Here's why Mintbird is the best solution. You've never seen a cart builder like this. Just a few things Mintbird can do for you. Library-based, the infrastructure in which this cart was based makes it easy to create funnels in a matter of minutes. Simple to use, this platform allows you to set up all your products, scripts, and even delivery ahead of time. 2-minute funnel creation. This is the only cart builder that lets you drop in complete upsells and downsells into your funnels. Beautiful templates. These cart pages and OTO pages were built by our team of designers to make sure you get ultimate conversions. 60 integrations. There is over 60 integrations that have been added to Mintbird with more to come. Mobile app. We have a mobile app that is very easy, friendly and extremely powerful.
Mintbird features. All of your product libraries are found here. Create and edit your cart order forms. Create, edit your upsells and downsells in your library. Create and edit your bump offers. Create and edit your coupon codes. Set up your split testing for multiple offers. Voila! So here's the deal. If you're on our YouTube channel, I'm going to put a link down below. It's going to take you to a Google document that has some more information on it with a couple of links. You click that link and then you will be taken in to become an affiliate. You will request your affiliate ID and then you will be given a whole back office where all the training is going to take place. So you definitely want to jump on it. If you are seeing this later on, jump on it anyway, because you will still be able to learn, and maybe even the launch is over, you're still going to be learned. Be able to learn all the tools that they are training you to do the next launch. So hopefully you guys take advantage of this. Make sure that you click the link below. If you're on one of our social media, or if you are seeing this video on social media posts, then definitely you want to reach out to us, message us, and we will get that information to you. All right, guys, remember, all of this is going to be taught to you by Chad Nicely and Perry Belcher, two of the most best digital marketing professionals in the world right now, how to be a super affiliate using the launch of something called Mintbird. Don't miss this opportunity to be part of it. So take action right now.